Hey guys, this is Josh with BarnBuilt Speed Shop. Today we're working on a 1965 Cadillac DeVille 4-door. We're gonna be taking off the door panels today, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first off, we're gonna have to take off the cap, the unlock and lock cap. And so you unscrew it, lefty loosey, righty tighty. You're gonna actually wanna push this down and lock the car for later on when you wanna lift off the door panel. So, and then you're gonna wanna, there's 2 screws on both sides of the pull bar or pull handle. And you take those out. Which it doesn't have to come out all the way. We've already taken off the driver's side. This is the passenger side door. But you want to get these all the way out or loose. You'll know when they're not actually into the door panel. And then you got to use your finger ratchets and get that out. So both of those, put them down, don't lose them. Come over here, there's gonna be another screw that goes into the middle, in the actual door for that trim. And you'd think that would fall off, but there's screws coming through. And if you wanna take this out, I don't think we need to, but I did it on the other one. Doesn't feel good, but it's coming out. We're actually taking this door panel off because we're building this car and the whole interior is getting done. That's why it looks like a disaster in here. For time's sake, we're gonna pull them out with the drill. If you're doing this, don't be a dummy head and have your drill set all the way out. I already kind of pulled that one out. When you're doing this, these kind of get hidden. These were hidden in the carpet. But you have to go all the way around. And so now it's kind of stuck. You have to pull it. There's tabs on this one. The other one, I guess, were a little broken off before, but. And then we'll go back to your screwdriver. We have to take off the switch panel, which is just this one screw. So we got the screw out of the switch panel. You have to pick it up, kind of pick it up by the switch. There's 2 little tabs right here. You just have to slide it out. Then you have these 2 little ears on both sides, or ears, tabs, whatever you want to call it. You can actually pull that. You get your little screwdriver or like a little kind of body panel tool or whatever, and you want to just barely do it because this stuff is old and you don't want to break it. But I just kind of go lightly, kind of get in the middle of it, and then there's that. So we got that off. Next is time to take off this plate that just covers up the door handle. I forgot to say what you're gonna need for this is a Phillips screwdriver, pick or flat blade, where actually you're gonna want a hook pick like this, a flat blade screwdriver. And then I have pliers, you'll see, and then a 5/16 wrench. So the next thing that we're gonna do is pull out this little like hidden plate, decoration plate. There's 2 screws, one right there, one right there. It's just the Phillips, so we'll pull it out. Put it down in the pile. you're gonna have to hold the door handle up. This one's kind of funky. I don't know why they did that, but. And the reason why we're taking out this plate is because there's a screw on the back side of this. Like I said, it's kind of funky getting it out. And right in here, there is a 5/16 head screw. I have just like a ratcheting wrench, open-end wrench, and you just want to take that off.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna play this game where you just unscrew it. So we get the screw off, and then you have to kind of. This came off super easy, but I already had it pulled off because I had to pause the video because it takes too long. This screw is super short, but it's in there tight, and it doesn't want to. You would think it'd be the longest, but this is spline drive, and you literally have to like pull it off there. If you this handle's probably never been off before, so I had to yank on it to get it off. So don't be scared. Put that down. Next is the wing window, little door handle. So I just shut that. And here, you want to slide it around. Then it's probably going to unlock a little bit, but this is the reason why I use this hook. It's because, and you have to kind of pry into it, which I don't. You might want to put like a rag or something in there. We're redoing these door handles, so I'm not being too cautious. But if you're just like needing to replace it, and you want to hook it like that and just pull up, and then that will come out. And the same thing with this. This is splined, and then you pull it, and then you might lose your clip, but that just goes on there like that and slides down and clips over this little V groove. So we're gonna have fun putting that back together. So the next thing is, I think we already got some of this stuff popped, but you have to kind of yank on it a little bit. All these clips. Where it wants to clip itself back in. So on the driver's side, there's this little screw that goes under the door handle like that. I did not have to take that out, but the passenger side, we had to undo that screw and then undo these tabs. So I'm guessing this door panel has literally never came off, but the driver's side has, and somebody broke all the fucking tabs off of it, but I'm not for sure. So get that, and you just slide it up. Hopefully there's no spooky spiders or anything, and pull it out. So there's your window switch. Here's your locks that come from your driver's side. I usually just, like, these things are kind of tight sometimes. You don't want to really break this tab off, but you kind of got to finesse it a little bit, which is, let's see, because it's tight. I know they make a tool for this, but same thing. I just kind of pull it, and then there you go. So now we are off. So you finally, like, you yank up on it and pull it off. And then you're gonna have like all this, your backing paper, like if it hasn't been touched, and then you can see like whatever's going on. If there's any kind of rust, or if you need to work on your door window regulators or locks or whatever, that's how you get to that. And it's probably gonna rip if you wanna take that off unless you're super delicate. But and then you're gonna have like your interior panel, which if this one hasn't been touched, it's stamped, all that. So if you wanna get in here to like take off the carpet or take off this trim and all that, it's all gonna be right here with these screws. So if you wanna redo the carpet, you're probably gonna have to pull out like these staples, that's what holds that on, and then peel up the carpet, because really the fabric and everything is really nice on this. The paint needs to be redone on the plastics, but the carpet looks gross. We're actually redoing this whole car. We're redoing the interior. That's why these door panels are coming off. So all this stuff is gonna be redone in leather. The plastics are gonna be repainted, and it's gonna be cool, custom, so we're gonna move on probably with the next video is do the rear door panel. It's gonna be probably exactly like the front door panel, just in the rear. So if you guys wanna see any other videos, comment down below and ask me, or like, hey, can you do this? Or hey, can you do that? Hey, I got a 65 Cadillac, let me know, and I'll try to make it if it's in what I'm doing, or maybe I'll make a special video. But please, like, comment below, let me know, like, subscribe. This is, you know, my first YouTube channel. This is the second video that's gonna be going on it, and I'm trying to teach somebody that maybe doesn't know, or maybe you're gonna get a better idea like after watching the video.